obviously. I'm the old gray beater daily driver. And what a bunch of geese in that parking lot. We're looking for a new project for the channel. So I heard where there might be one at. So let's go and check it out. Found it. Oh, there we go. Started right up. All right, let's see if I can get it going. Steering sucks. Throttle's good though. All right, let's try to go. See what happens. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right. Ignore the Tahoe pulling it. Pretty good for an old car. No power steering, steers just fine. Hey, look at that hopping truck over there. So here is this 1972 Le Mans that sitting out in that parking lot. It's actually belongs to a buddy of mine. Hi, Brian. You're actually over there if you're watching right now. Yeah, so I'm going to help him work on this project. Get it done. Brought him here away from the speakers outside so we can look at it and talk about it. This thing ain't going to be all original. It's going to be a hot rod. 400 for it, which I've been helping him with. All the machine work's done. We got some issues figured out. That'll be later. It's going to be a lot of body work on this car, as you can tell. You know, fixing the rust, all that good stuff, dents, dings, bad body work from before, previous people working on it. We'll fix all that, stuff like that. No big deal, no big deal. It's a pretty good start though. You can see the original color is there, and it was pretty good color. Some botched body work again. Fill in the trim holes, stuff like that. Now I think he has all the pieces for the interior, but not redone. The seat's crunchy. Nice steering wheel, that can be saved. It's gonna need something to do with the dash. Little stuff here and there. Not too bad. Can't find a 37 or 41 front end, so I think we're gonna do something special and custom with this front end to make it look more aggressive. I don't normally have access to a lift, but we can really look under this car now and check it out. Get a light. Bing. Really, this car is not too bad. It's pretty solid. Actually, really solid. I really don't see anything too much wrong. Little rust right there. That's not bad. Overall, this is a solid car to build. Floors are good. It's just the trunk. You can see there's a few little pinholes in the floor, but the trunk is the worst of it, and that's an easy fix. And he has custom suspension here. You can adjust your ride height easily, however you want it. So there it is. This little Pontiac Le Mans is going to be a nice little project in addition to the channel. And I hope all y'all look forward to watching it and seeing how this thing progresses. Of course, if you look forward to it, make sure you're subscribed if you're not, because this will be an ongoing project. Obviously, it needs a lot of work, but it's all doable. It's a pretty good foundation. The floors are pretty solid. So, yeah, we got a good start for a good project here. So, hope you enjoyed this and look forward to the rest of them. As always, thanks for watching.